Replacement of flat tire. Park the vehicle on level surface and apply parking brakes to prevent rolling of vehicle and to provide a rigid surface for jacking up the vehicle. In manual transmission vehicle, shift lever to R, that is reverse position. In case of automatic transmission vehicle, shift lever to P, that is parking position. Activate hazard warning flasher and place triangular reflector on the road to warn other drivers. Place a heavy object on both sides of wheel which is farthest from flat tire. Take out the jack handle, jack, wheel lug nut wrench and spare wheel from the vehicle boot. Ensure that there is no one sitting inside the car. Remove the hubcap or wheel cover of flat tire and loosen all the nuts of flat tire by rotating the wrench anti-clockwise. Follow the sequence illustrated while loosening wheel nuts. Place the jack under the frame near to the flat tire. Ensure that jack is in contact with the designated location, which are plates welded to frame with 2 tabs under the vehicle. Insert the jack handle into the jack and turn it clockwise to lift the vehicle until the tire just clears the ground. Before moving further, ensure that vehicle is stable and there is no chance of movement or slippage. Raise the wheel little more and remove all nuts by hand. Now remove the flat tire carefully. Place and align the spare tire and wheel cover on hub and tighten all the nuts by hand as much as possible. Bring the vehicle down by rotating the jack handle anti-clockwise and then remove the jack. Tighten the wheel nuts fully by rotating the wrench clockwise. Follow the sequence given in illustration. Install the hubcap or wheel cover in case not tied with nut. Put the flat tire in the boot and pack the equipment. Get the puncture repaired at a mechanic.